Very good, very good. Okay.
யார் சத்யா மேடமா?
Yeah, Sandhya.
சத்யா மேடம் எங்க வர்க் பண்றீங்கம்மா?
குமுதா மெட்ரிகுலேஷன் ஸ்கூலுங்க சார்.
ஆமா இங்க குமுதா மெட்ரிகுலேஷன் நம்பியூர்.
ஆமாங்க சார், ஆமாங்க.
Oh, very good, very good. I know. கண்ணன் சொன்னாரா?
Yes sir, of course, correct.
Carry on.
Okay sir.
Very good. Nice to meet you. Okay.
Thank you ma'am.
Okay. So Sakir, good morning. Sakir, good morning Sakir. Can you switch on your mic and speak? Sakir, your mic is off. Okay. Rakshan, good morning. Hello. How are you, Rakshan? Good morning. How are you?
Fine ma'am.
Fine. Okay. So how are you enjoying your vacation? How is the vacation going?
Nice.
Nice. Okay. அப்படியே போயிட்டு இருக்கு. Okay. So where are you from, da? I forgot your place.
கோயம்புத்தூர் மேட்டுப்பாளையம் ma'am.
Mettupalayam. Okay. Like many people are introducing, yeah. So I forgot. So Kavini, Chennai, Estrella, Coimbatore, Rakshan, Coimbatore, Sandhya is Erode. Okay, then Srinidhi Raman, hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So how are the classes going? Now you are going to 12th, right?
Ma'am, or voice is breaking, ma'am.
The 12th தானே இப்ப போறீங்க. Now you are into 12th standard, right?
Ma'am, I'm into college.
Oh, okay. So have you?
I completed my board exam.
Okay. Oh, that's why you are attending that CUET classes also, right? Okay, I'm sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So next is Radhamani.
I mistook him for a girl. We have a girl by name Srinidhi.
Yes.
Srinidhi Raman. அவங்க அப்பா பேரா இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். And she was our
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I mistook him for that. Anyway, carry on.
This is Srinidhi. That is THI. Srinidhi nu varudhu. That girl is for Srinidhi. DHI Srinidhi nu varudhu. So that is how I identified the difference. Srinidhi எந்த place நீங்க?
Ma'am, I'm from Thiruvarur, ma'am.
Thiruvarur. Okay. It's fine. So have you applied in any other colleges for admission?
Yes, ma'am. Trichy, Bishop Heber, and then St. Joseph, Madurai American.
For a what course?
Physics, ma'am.
BSc Physics.
Yes, ma'am. But Thiruvalur University, I'm applying MSc Integrated Physics, ma'am.
Oh, that will be for 5 years, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Integrated course.
Central University. Good.
No, sir. It's State University, sir.
Oh, state. Not Tiruvalluvara.
Thiruvalur University.
Okay, I thought Tiruvarur. Okay, right. பரவாயில்ல.
Tiruvalluvar University. அது எங்க இருக்குது? Where is it?
Velur, ma'am.
Velur. Okay. Tiruvalluvar University.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Appu, good morning. Gautam. How are you, Gautam?
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Then Jenny. Hi, Jenny. It's been a long time.
Good morning ma'am.
Hi, Jenny. It's been a long time, Leah. We last met on February 17th or something. That is on our last class.
Yes.
You, then Kavini. Then later Kavini's mother spoke to me. So that's where I came to know about Kavini. How is she and all. Then Gautam, Jenny and Prema. Prema la nariya achu. How are you, Prema?
Fine ma'am.
So now you are going to 9th standard, right?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Jenny into 8th standard. Am I correct?
Ma'am, 10th standard ma'am.
Oh, 10th. Sorry. Okay. So 9th to 10th. Okay. So board exams. So have the classes started?
Yes ma'am.
Oh, okay. Fine. So you don't have vacation?
Ma'am, school give for 1 month leave ma'am.
Okay.
To study that 10th portions.
Okay. So when is May vacation for you? Is May vacation?
Yes, I don't know ma'am.
Okay. Yes, and the last one we have is
ma'am.
Enamma? Puriyala.
Tell ma'am.
I can't hear you. Sorry.
Ma'am, அவங்க சொல்லல எப்ப லீவ் எப்ப முடியுதுன்னு.
Okay. ஆமா 10th they will not exactly tell because it is happening in all the states. They will tell that we have classes, but suddenly they even stop the classes because of this heat. No, in Kerala and all they started the classes, but they just gave 1 month vacation for the CBSE students. Sorry, one week leave, and after that they started the classes. And from April 1st, suddenly they converted it into online classes. It's because of the extreme heat outside. And that too, they didn't complete the classes till April 30th. They stopped it on April 22nd or something. When I asked the reason, the students were telling the same. We don't know, ma'am. The teacher said we will continue in June. Okay, even at home, I am taking tuitions for 10th standard, and till April 30th, I will be taking the tuition. And May month, I will be leaving them free because they also need a break, right? In the shoot daily class, they need a break. You all need a break because after completing 1 year, you want a break. ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு 1 month பிரெயினுக்கு நீங்க ரெஸ்ட் கொடுக்கணும். மூளைக்கு ரெஸ்ட் கொடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் நீங்க போய் படிக்கும் போது தான் it will be more effective. Okay. Yes, and we have okay, then Radha. Good morning.
My name is Yuvasri.
Yuvasri, yeah?
Yes.
Yuvasri, where are you from?
Tiruchi.
Trichy, okay. What do you do?
I'm going to 9th standard.
Okay. Yuvasri from Trichy. Okay. So I will just tell all your places, okay? So Kavini is from Chennai, Estrella, Coimbatore, Sandhya is Erode, then Radhamani, that is, Yuvasri, Trichy, Rakshan, Coimbatore, then Srinidhi, Tiruvarur, Jenny, Coimbatore, Prema and Gautam, I forgot. Gautam, Chengalpet, okay. And Prema, where are you from, da? Prema, endda? Utiya?
No, ma'am. Dindikkal, ma'am.
Dindikkal. Prema from Dindikkal. Okay, so different students from different places have come to join this session. Very happy. Okay, so last year attend பண்ணிருந்தவங்க வந்து out of this 5 students have already attended, I think. 5 இல்லையே. Kavini, then Rakshan actually joined in the middle of the course. I think 3 or 4 months later he joined. So Kavini, Rakshan, Srinidhi Raman, Jenny, Prema and Gautam. So 6 students already know how our classes are going and how it will be conducted. So I will give you a very small idea. Okay, so நம்ம classes எப்படி போகும் அப்படின்னு கேட்டதுன்னா, it is not like simply teaching you grammar. சும்மா கிராமர் மட்டும் lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3 அப்படின்னு கிராமர் டீச் பண்ற ஒரு சிஸ்டம் கிடையாது நம்மளோட. Our class name itself is Communicative English class. So Communicative English is something that is not only about studying grammar, it's also to make you speak, read and write fluently. Okay, so we all know that grammar it is a part of a subject. What you are studying in school is English subject. Adula vara oru part than the grammar abdingiradhu. But what you basically need, grammar idho mattum illa. Basically நாளைக்கு நீங்க எந்த ஏஜ்ல எந்த இடத்துக்கு போனாலும் என்ன ஜாப் பண்றதுனாலும் எந்த ஊர்ல போய் பண்றதுனாலும் the grammar what is going to help you is the communication skills, especially the speaking and reading writing skills. So speaking அப்படிங்கிறது it doesn't come from theory படிச்சு சும்மா grammar rules is, was, are, but இதெல்லாம் நம்ம படிப்போம். Of course we want everything. grammar வேணும், grammarல இருந்து தான் அந்த speaking skills நம்ம படிக்கிறோம். பட் டைரக்டா கிராமர் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லி கொடுத்து இதை இப்படி பண்ணணும் அதை அப்படி பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லிட்டுனா we cannot speak. So just imagine நம்ம எல்லாருமே வந்து எப்படி all of you have Tamil as the mother tongue, right? Everyone's mother tongue is Tamil in this class now, including me. Okay, so how we started speaking this language? First day நம்ம a e u எல்லாம் படிச்சு அந்த என்னது வல்லினம் மெல்லினம் இடையினம் எல்லாம் படிச்சு அந்த உயிரெழுத்து மெய்யெழுத்தெல்லாம் படிச்சு அப்படியே நம்ம பேச ஆரம்பிச்சோம், இல்ல வேற ஏதாவது மெத்தட்லயா பேச ஆரம்பிச்சோம்? கிராமர் படிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறமா பேச ஆரம்பிச்சோம், இல்ல பேச ஆரம்பிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் படிக்க ஆரம்பிச்சோமா?
I think Annapurni, you can continue with your English. மேபி தமிழ் வேணா கொஞ்சம் குறைச்சிக்கலாம். எல்லாருமே எவ்வளவு இங்கிலீஷ் தெரிஞ்சவங்க.
இல்ல சார், yeah, I understand, but since all are students, they are, yeah, I think because but some of maybe a few.
I leave that to you, but then பாத்துக்குங்க.
Okay, yeah, because I just wanted to give them an introduction. That's the reason. Okay. So what was the correct order? Which one took place first? Like whether you heard whether you heard your mother tongue and then you started writing, or you started writing and then started speaking. Which one happened first? If you understood my question, you can answer.
Yes. Started talking, then writing.
Okay. What about Gautam?
First we heard your mother tongue, then only we start to learn the grammar.
Okay. Then what? Someone else was also switching on the mic. Kavini? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. First to speak and next to write or anything, ma'am.
Okay, so you started speaking first and only then you started reading and writing. So this is the case for all the languages. This is not only for Tamil or Malayalam or Telugu or any Hindi or anything. This is applicable even for English. If I tell this, you won't believe. But that is the proper way of learning actually. But unfortunately, in our academic system, this method is not followed. We immediately start writing ABCD and then we soon go to read and write words and then sentences and then paragraphs. Only then we are learning to speak. Yes, Sakir, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Can you tell your name, place and school?
My name is Hasini.
Okay, where are you from?
I am from Lingapuram. Metupalayam, Lingapuram.
Okay.
I'm studying 9th standard, ma'am.
9th standard. Okay, nice. So you can continue our classes. Okay, so welcome to the communicative English class. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, so is there anyone else? Only you? Hasini? Are you attending alone or is there anyone else with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is that?
My sister, ma'am.
Sister, can you show her? Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What's your name?
My name is C. Ravinashri, ma'am.
Sri?
C. Ravinashri.
Sri Ravinashri. Okay.
C. Ravinashri.
Okay, actually எனக்கு clear ஆக மாட்டேங்கிறது. Okay, where are you? Okay, in which class you are?
6th standard, ma'am.
6th. Okay, you are in 6th and sister is 9. Okay. Sri Hasini is your sister.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sri Hasini, and can you tell your name once more? ஒரு டைம் கூட ஒரு டைம் கூட சொல்றியான்னு?
இதுதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம்.
இல்லம்மா, அவங்க பேரு ஒரு டைம் கூட சொல்றியா கேக்குறேன். அவங்க தங்கச்சியோட பேரு.
Ravinashri, ma'am.
Ravinashri. Okay. Sri Hasini and Ravinashri. Okay.
Very Hasini மட்டும், ma'am.
Hasini மட்டும் தான். Okay, so எனக்கு ஏதோ சவுண்ட் டிஸ்டர்ப்.
Initial C, ma'am.
C. Okay. எனக்கு ஸ்ரீன்னு கேட்டது. SRI ஸ்ரீன்னு கேட்டது. Okay, ma. Okay, fine. Okay, thank you. So
Thank you, ma'am.
welcome. Okay, so what we were discussing is, okay, you can keep your mic off, Hasini. Okay, நம்ம கூப்பிடும்போது you can switch on your mic. Okay. So நம்ம என்ன சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தோம்னா, so every language is like that. Every language, what we were discussing is not only Tamil or Hindi or Malayalam or any mother tongue or any other regional languages, all the languages have to be started learning by practicing to speak first, only then reading and writing comes. Okay, but in English what we do, that is what our schools do, abdina, they will first start make you read and write. You start with ABCD, you start writing and reading, and then you start speaking. So because of this, what happens? You lack the confidence to speak. Whether I will make mistakes or whether will it become wrong. So you have so many doubts and confusions like that. But in our classes, in IYM's communicative English classes, we will be focusing in both the communication part as well as the grammatical part. Okay, so this being the first class, I asked you all to introduce yourself. So that was actually to know how well you can speak. So you all are having a basic knowledge. The only thing is that I have to polish all of you. I should polish you all to the next level. எல்லாருக்குமே basic knowledge இருக்கு. I should polish you to the next level. You are in the base level. I should take you to the next level. That is my job. Okay. So we will just have an introduction. Okay. So this being the first class, we will just have an introduction of our spoken English classes now. Okay. So this communicative English classes was started a few years back, and last year I was the tutor. I was the teacher for the last 1 year. So first of all, we will give an introduction to IYM. Okay, so Igniting Young Minds is an online educational platform that offers free coaching and guidance for students across India by Mr. R. Keshavamurthy sir. Hope you know, all of you know him. Okay. And IYM has so far benefited thousands of students educationally and financially with the generosity of sponsors spread across. And the team is run by eminent tutors from various institutions to offer classes for NEET, JEE, UPSC, CUET, NMMS, NTSC, TTSC, TNPSC, NMAT, CMAT, and many more. So apart from the above mentioned exams, IYM also provides free coaching for spoken English, spoken Hindi, spoken Tamil, and placement training sessions. So if anyone is interested to learn spoken Hindi or spoken Tamil, see, here all of you are Tamil, so you don't need spoken Tamil, I can understand. But if you want spoken Hindi, definitely you can join the free class on every Saturday at 6 o'clock in the evening, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, it's a spoken Hindi class which started yesterday. Only one class is completed. Okay. So in short, IYM is a social service outfit to help the needy and committed students. IYM provides free coaching for scholarships, entrance exams, and competitive exams. IYM often conducts offline and online competitions. உங்களுக்கு தெரியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன், Igniting Young Minds is conducting many competitions for you students, followed by prize distribution to deserving participants. The organization has developed its new initiative to offer free spoken English and Hindi classes for school and college students. This is mainly for students. Also, anyone can attend. Those who are going for job or applying for some job, and those who are housewives even can attend. But school and college students will be the more beneficial section. Okay. And who wish to boost their language skills to improve their standards. So if you want to know more details about our organization, you can visit ignitingyoungminds.in. Okay. So this is the website of our organization. You can visit this site and you can come to know more about IYM. Okay. So now we are going to see why English is important. We say that English, spoken English, without English, it is very difficult. We say a lot of things, right? So why is English important? Okay, so this is actually a paragraph that I have made it very short for you to understand easily. So English is considered the king of languages. English is considered to be the king of languages. Yes. You know why it is so? That is what is being given here. Okay, so Srinidhi Raman, can you read that first paragraph?
Which paragraph, ma'am?
The first paragraph. Can't you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am, visible, ma'am.
Okay.
While reviewing people from different backgrounds, we come to realize that communication is multidisciplinary subject and professionally in communication skills is an inevitable requirement.
Inevitable. Okay, just a minute. ஒரு நிமிஷம். Yeah, you can continue. Communication skills.
Communication skills is an inevitable requirement for success and advancement in almost all professions within rapid industry.
Okay, you can read till that. That's enough. Okay. So, என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா, while reviewing people from different backgroundsல இருந்து நம்ம பார்க்கும்போது நிறைய see even in this class itself there are different students, right? One is from Erode, one is from Trichy, one is from Tiruvarur, and each one of you have a different background. Each one of you is having a different background. One is from from a government school, the other one is from a metric school. Okay, one may be from a CBSE school. So each of your background varies from one another. So when reviewing people from different backgrounds, from different sections of the society, we come to know that communication is a very, very important subject, and proficiency in communication is inevitable. That is, we cannot avoid it. The proficiency or the excellence in communication skills is an inevitable requirement. தவிர்க்க முடியாத ஒரு தேவை to boost your communication skills அப்படிங்கிறது. Proficiency in communication skills is an inevitable requirement for success and advancement in almost all professions. Okay, so whatever profession you choose in your future, the one may say I want to become a doctor, the other one may say I want to become a teacher, one may say engineer, the other one lawyer, other one pilot, some may say scientist, collector. Whatever profession you choose in your life, one may say government job. Okay, so whatever profession you choose in your life, communication plays a vital role. Without communication, what is possible? See, now you are sitting in this class, I am communicating with you. So whatever I am telling, only if you understand there is a use of attending this class, right? நான் சொல்றதெல்லாம் புரிஞ்சதுன்னா மட்டும்தான் இந்த கிளாஸ் அட்டென்ட் பண்றதுல ஏதோ ஒரு யூஸ் இருக்கு. Unless you understand what I am telling, is there any use of attending this online class? Definitely no. So it means that what the listener, what the speaker is telling must reach the listener properly. Okay, so speaking and listening, they are connected to each other. From this we can understand that listening and speaking, or speaking and listening, are interrelated. Okay, so a good speaker is a good listener as well. ஒரு நல்ல லிசனருக்கு தான் ஒரு நல்ல ஸ்பீக்கர் ஆக முடியும். ஓகே, அதே மாதிரி ஒரு நல்ல லிசனருக்கு ஒரு நல்ல ஸ்பீக்கரும் ஆக முடியும். So only if you understand what I am telling, there is a use of attending this class. So why I am using English in between? That is, I am using only a few Tamil words now. The starting I was speaking in Tamil, but now I am using only English. It is because English is the class, that is, English is a subject that we are going to study. So we should start speaking in English slowly. Gradually, it will develop your level of understanding. Listening skills will develop, and you will start knowing what I am talking to you. Okay. So with rapid industrialization and economic growth in the country, industrialization means business, the world of business. So a lot of businesses happen around us, isn't it? Lot of businesses take place, transactions நிறைய நடக்கிறது, foreign business, India ல இருந்து foreignக்கு, from foreign to India, importing and exporting, so many businesses take place. For example, people here in India work for foreign countries. ஒரு அமெரிக்கன் கம்பெனிக்கு இங்கே உட்காந்துட்டு வீட்டிலேருந்து ஒர்க் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஒரு யூகே பேஸ்டு கம்பெனிக்கு இங்கே ஆஃபீஸ் போட்டு ஒர்க் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ இட் மீன்ஸ் தட் த கண்ட்ரீஸ் ஆர் கனெக்டட் டு ஈச் அதர். ஸோ இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு ஒர்க் ஃபார் அ கம்பெனி இன் அமெரிக்கா ஆர் இன் லண்டன் ஆர் இன் ஆஸ்திரேலியா, definitely you should be able to communicate with them, right? So English is here where English is important. So only if you speak in Tamil or some other language to the Australian or American, will he understand? No. So similarly, if he uses Australian language or some other language to you, you also can't understand. So that is why ரெண்டு பக்கமும் ஒரே மாதிரி ஈஸியா இருக்கிறதுக்காக ரெண்டு பேருக்கும் ஈஸியா இருக்கிறதுக்காக one common language is chosen and that is English. Okay, so there has been a drastic increase in the number and size of professional organizations in India as well as in other countries. As communication plays a vital role in the smooth functioning of an organization, the need to impart communication skills has assumed greater importance. So communication can be made effective and easy with one common language instead of many languages. Only one language is enough for easy communication, and English is that language. Okay, so why English is chosen as a common language? How English became that common language? எத்தனையோ languages இருக்கே, ஏன் இங்கிலீஷ் போய் choose பண்ணாங்க? Okay, yes, can anyone read this? Jenny, can you read it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
English is the official language of 67 countries and 27 non-sovereign
Sovereign.
Okay, ma'am. And is spoken by around 400 million people as a native language. This makes English the third most spoken language in the world after Mandarin. What, ma'am?
Mandarin.
Okay, ma'am. Mandarin and Spanish. More than 1 billion people speak English as a second language.
Okay. So English is the official language of 67 countries. 67 countries have English as the official language. Even in India, India is also one among that 67 countries. So we have regional language, that is Hindi. Okay, Hindi is the regional language in India, but official language is both Hindi and English. Okay, so also in 27 non-sovereign countries. Non-sovereign entities means those that are not democratic countries. Okay, so 67 normal countries and 27 non-sovereign entities la mottama இந்த எல்லா இடத்துலயுமே English is the official language. Okay, and it is spoken by around 400 million people. How much is 1 million? How much is 1 million? 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. 10 லட்சம். ஓகே, இப்போ 1 மில்லியன்னா 10 லட்சம். இப்போ 400 மில்லியன்ல எவ்வளவு கால்குலேட் பண்ணி பாருங்க. ஓகே, 1 million is 10 lakhs, 2 million is 20 lakhs, 4 million 40 lakhs. இப்போ 40 million அப்படினாலே 400 lakhs. It will go like that. So 400 million people speak English as a native language. And this makes English the third most spoken language in the world. That first position goes to Chinese, Mandarin. Mandarin na Chinese language ki the Mandarin Chinese அப்படிம்பாங்க. Then comes Spanish and the third most spoken language is English. So more than 1 billion people speak English as a second language also. So English is considered to be the second and third language as well. So that is why English is chosen as a common language. So how can you learn English? Or who will help you to learn English? IYM is here to help you. So it's indeed hard to learn the language all of a sudden. திடீர்னு நான் சொல்றேன் இப்போ இங்கிலீஷ் படிங்க, நாளைக்கு நான் இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேச சொல்லுவேன்னா is it possible? Not possible even for an expert. So it's indeed hard to learn the language all of a sudden because those were the days when you were not getting enough guidance or support to speak. Like your parents, for example, many of your parents may even don't know how to speak fluently. Some parents may know, some parents may not know how to speak fluently. Actually, they would have really wanted to speak, but they wouldn't have got chances. Chance kadachirukadu. Or they wouldn't have got good teachers to coach them. Proper guidance kadachirukadu. Illana school la correct solli kuduthirukka maatanga. There are a lot of issues. Okay, so there was no enough guidance to support and to speak and teach English, and the availability of the teachers was also very less, scarce. But today the situation is totally changed. Now everything is virtual. Virtual means online classes and offline classes. There are two different types of classes for you. If you want to learn offline, you can go and study at a center. Or if you want only online class, then you can attend IYM's classes. Okay. So with the help of online tutors and trainers, one can grab the world's best opportunity to learn the language which is right now available under us, Igniting Young Minds. Okay. So this is the poster for our course. So I will share this in the group. Okay. You can share it with all your friends, with your colleagues, and with your family members. Those who want to learn English, those who are really aspiring to learn English can join this course. Okay? Fine. So this is all about an introduction for our course. So next, we will just start the first lesson today. Okay? We cannot call it actually a lesson. Lesson nu kupta mudiyadhu. It is to help you teach the importance of communication. Okay, communication அப்படிங்கிறது எதனால important? Why is it important? That's what you will learn here. Is my screen visible? Can anyone respond?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Screen is visible.
Thank you. Okay. So importance of communication and LSRW skills. What is LSRW? Any idea?
Listening, speaking, reading, writing.
Very good. Who said that?
Sandhya ma'am.
Very good. Okay. So listening, speaking, reading and writing are the four inevitable skills or the four pivotal skills of communication. So first comes listening and then comes speaking. Then we go for reading and writing. As I said before, listening and speaking always comes first. Only then reading and writing. Okay. But in our academic culture, the opposite happens. We read and write first and then we start to listen and speak. Okay. So we will give a change. Okay. So this is again about English. Okay. So I'm actually skipping it. English பத்தி தான் சொல்றது. So இதை மட்டும் நான் skip பண்ணிடுறேன் இப்போதைக்கு. So we will just see why is communication important. Communication அப்படின்னா என்னது? Each other நம்ம பேசிக்கிறது, each other நம்ம ஒரு லெட்டர் எழுதணும்னா எழுதுறது. That is called communication. So there are two types of communications. One is verbal communication and the other one is non-verbal communication. Verbal அப்படின்னா you speak and listen. Listening and speaking வரதுதான் வந்து verbal. One person speaks, the other person listens. The other person speaks and the opposite person listens. So listening and speaking, the verbal communication. What is non-verbal communication? Reading and writing. Okay, you are writing a letter to your friend. Your friend reads that letter. She is writing a mail or letter in response and you are reading that letter. So reading and writing make the non-verbal communication. So while reviewing people from different backgrounds, we come to realize that communication is a multidisciplinary subject. As we already discussed, there are different people across us. Just for example, go and sit in the railway station. Just if you go and visit the railway station near in your district or city, just for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, that is the best example I would like to tell. நம்ம ரயில்வே ஸ்டேஷன்ல போய் ஒரு 10 or 15 minutes போய் உட்காந்தீங்கனாலே தெரியும். You happen to see different kinds of people, right? எங்கெந்தெல்லாமோ வரவங்களா இருப்பாங்க. Different kinds of people in age groups, various people from the different age groups, different cultures, different communities, sometimes even different languages. Because nowadays there are many Bengalis and people from East India are working in South India. Even in shopping complex and malls and all, you can see that in the billing section, we can see people are from Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. Okay, so foreigners in Coimbatore, those who have visited Brookfield Mall would know that. Brookfield Mall போனவங்களுக்கெல்லாம் தெரியும். We can see many Bengalis and all there. In hotels, why more? If you visit hotels, some kind of good restaurants, you can see the cook will be Bengalis. Okay. So while reviewing people from different backgrounds, we come to know that communication is an unavoidable subject. So the proficiency in communication skills is an inevitable requirement for success and advancement in almost all jobs or professions. As communication plays a vital role in the smooth functioning of an organization, the need to impart communication skills has assumed greater importance. And English is therefore considered as the global language chosen for a hassle-free communication. Hassle-free na எந்த தொந்தரவும் இல்லாம எந்த கஷ்டமும் இல்லாம டிஃபிகல்ட்டியும் இல்லாம ஃப்ரீயா ஈஸி கம்யூனிகேஷனுக்காக இங்கிலீஷ் இஸ் சோசன். இங்கிலீஷ் இஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த ஈஸியஸ்ட் லாங்குவேஜஸ். அதனாலதான். Because there are only 26 alphabets in English. Now, what is LSRW? LSRW stands as the abbreviation for the 4 dominant communication skills which we require in our day-to-day lives, namely listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So apart from the above ways of communication, we also depend on some other types of communication. Do you know what are they? அதாவது லிசனிங், ஸ்பீக்கிங், ரீடிங், ரைட்டிங் இல்லாம வேறையும் சில விதத்துல நமக்கு கம்யூனிகேட் பண்ணலாம். What are those methods?
Action, ma'am.
Action. So we call it gestures. Gestures அப்படிம்போ GESTURES. Very good. Gestures. Then apart from that, good. Srinidhi, good. Actions and gestures. அது இல்லாம கம்யூனிகேஷன் பண்ணலாமே. Okay, can you give an example for one gesture, Srinidhi? 1 or 2 examples கொடுக்கறீங்களா? Okay, you are all using WhatsApp, right? So you know what are gestures?
Chatting.
Chatting. Okay. So chatting is actually a part of reading. Chatting is reading and writing. What I'm asking, different gestures, different actions are there to communicate. For those who can't speak, they communicate through actions. So can you give some examples for actions that we commonly use?
Madam, இது இப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்?
Yes. It is warning.
Find your words. அப்படினு சொல்றது.
Find your words. Yeah. Yes. That is. You can give a thumbs up. That is for okay or done, all the best, something like that. If it is like this, thumbs down, like you don't agree. Kavini has given thumbs up. Okay. If you give like this, I don't agree or I didn't like. Pudichida illiyanu kettaduna di kaamicha no, I didn't like. Then you can say this one. Bye, tata. What is it? We will draw a picture to pass a message. Sure, drawing pictures is a mode of communication. Very good. Okay, then
the emojis பார்த்து கண்டுபிடிங்க. சிரிக்குதா அழுகுதா? I don't know. Find emojis.
Emojis like actually there are so many nuances in the emojis. அதனாலதான் there are minute differences between one emoji and other. One will be like a small smile, the other one will be like அப்படி ஒரு smile. So some emojis will be like they will be very much laughing, கண்ணுல இருந்தெல்லாம் தண்ணி வர மாதிரி இருக்கும். Yeah, some emojis. 2 emojis are like that. Blue color tears will be coming out, அப்படி விழுந்து விழுந்து சிரிக்கிற மாதிரி. Okay, so then we can say tata, bye bye, that is an emoji. Bye. Then this one, இப்படி ஒரு சிம்பிள் you could have seen. I swear அப்படின்னு இந்த இடத்துல புடிச்சு I swear அப்படின்னா சத்தியமா நான் சொல்றேன். It's like giving a promise. Okay, then you can say this one, what is that? Stop. This is a hand gesture. Then you can give shake hands. Giving shake hands is a hand gesture. That is a part of friendship. Okay, then you can also say a few more. This one, this is for some victory. This is a show victory. Jaichtum அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு this one. In selfies nowadays we are giving this this kind of hand gesture, right? But this is not recommended actually. This gesture is not recommended because there are many scammers who are using our fingerprints and they are decoding the Aadhaar details, bank account details, everything. So instead of this one, you can give this one like this or something. Okay, fingerprints வந்து it is unique, yeah. Like my fingerprint is only mine. Your fingerprint is only yours. என்னோட fingerprint எனக்கு மட்டும்தான் இருக்கும். வேற யாருக்கும் இந்த உலகத்துல இருக்காது. It's always unique. It's the God's creation. Okay, so that should be maintained confidential. Okay, then there are a lot of other kind of gestures. No one said eye gestures, eye contact. யாருமே சொல்லல. We use eye contacts, right? We use our eyes. முழிச்சு பார்த்தா திட்டுற மாதிரி இருக்கும். Okay, sometimes if you blink your eyes, it's like you are not agreeing with something அப்படின்னா. Sometimes if you smile, your eyes will also smile. Okay, for some people it's like that. So eye contact is important. Then we can say hand gestures. That is what we said, actions. Okay, so these are all the other ways of communicating apart from LSRW. So now why LSRW is chosen? Yes, Kavini, can you read that down? Why LSRW?
Yes, ma'am. LSRW placed in such an order that listening takes place first, then comes speaking, followed by reading and writing. This is the actual way to learn a language, irrespective of its difficulty, but our curriculum doesn't promote...
Enough. So this is the actual way of learning. Listening first, then speaking, followed by reading and writing. But unfortunately, our academic system doesn't promote this methodology. So this is one of the biggest drawbacks that we are still facing. Okay. So now moving to listening. Okay, so we will look into each part. Listening. So listening is the first mode of communication that every man travels through. We listen to new sounds, words, and sentences from the people around us. This gradually leads us to start speaking in our mother tongue. Every language can be learned easily by learning to listen first, then speak, read, and write. Every language can be done like this. A good listener can also be a good speaker. As I said, நல்ல ஒரு ஸ்பீக்கருக்கு நல்ல ஒரு லிசனராகவும் இருக்க முடியும், நல்ல ஒரு லிசனருக்கு நல்ல ஒரு ஸ்பீக்கராகவும் இருக்க முடியும். அதனால தான் நம்மளோட கிளாஸஸ்க்கு எல்லாமே ஸ்போக்கன் இங்கிலீஷ், ஸ்போக்கன் ஹிந்தி, ஸ்போக்கன் தமிழ்னு கொடுக்குறோம். வை ரிட்டன் ஹிந்தி, ரிட்டன் தமிழ், ரிட்டன் இங்கிலீஷ் நேம் கொடுக்கறது இல்லை? இட்ஸ் பிகாஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யூ ஷுட் நோ ஹவு டு ஸ்பீக். Only then reading and writing will be 100% effective. Then the more you listen to a language, the well you communicate in the language. நிறைய கேட்க என்ன ஆகும், நல்லா கம்யூனிகேட் பண்ண உங்களுக்கு முடியும். Okay, next is speaking. Yes, Kavini, you can read this one, Kanna.
Okay, ma'am. Speaking comes in the second place. The ability to speak comes from proper listening skills and patience. A good communication happens if ideas are conveyed clearly to the listener. Communication happens mainly through the two verbal skills, speaking and listening. As you learn to speak a new language, there will surely be mistakes. Don't care about the errors, mistakes that you commit. Be free to speak.
Yes, that is what you should do. As you learn to speak a new language, definitely there will be mistakes. There was a girl whom I was teaching. She was in 3rd standard studying in a CBSE school. She is a Hindi Marathi girl. She always tells, I am is the good girl. I am is the one who goes to school by bus. I am is the. So I used to tell, Kanna, it's not I am is the, it is I am the. I kuda is vandam. Telling it, I actually got fed up after teaching that. Like I was teaching, telling this. Still that girl was telling I am is. But it took a long time for her to change that habit. Okay, so similarly, while speaking a new language, definitely you will make mistakes, but don't care about it. Have a partner with you to speak, your sister or brother or your friend or anyone. Okay, don't speak in English with your parents because they will be totally confused. Ennada adu ivanga English la pesi nammala kodakkrangale nenichpaanga paavum. Have a friend on your same age group, like your thambi or thangachi or akka anna, or you will have friends, right? So start speaking. So your friend will also learn to speak. You can each other correct yourself. Oh, idi ipdi illa apdi. That will be very nice. Okay, and on Sundays, I will be there as your friend. Okay, on every Sunday, I will be there as your friend to speak with you. So don't care about the errors or mistakes that you commit. Be free, feel to speak. And the last one is reading and writing. Okay, so who can read this? Reading and writing? Yes, Prema. Okay. Jenny, I will give next.
Reading and writing are not a non-verbal communication. Reading starts happening when you start writing and voice sound. Writing and reading
Non-human.
Yes, Prema.
Writing and reading should happen
simultaneously. அப்படின்னா ரெண்டும் ஒரே டைம் நடக்கணும். ரீடிங்கும் ரைட்டிங்கும் ஒரே டைம் நடக்கணும்.
Writing is started from different styles, letters, words, sentences, and paragraphs and pages. The ability to read what you write is important. Efficient and fluent reading is a must for all.
Okay. Not hearing, ma'am. Voice is breaking. My voice or Prema's voice?
Prema's voice. Prema, you can switch off your mic.
Radhamani, என்னோட voice இல்ல Premaவோட voice ஆ? Asini.
You can switch off your mic. I think I need to sound.
Yes, Prema, you can switch off. Okay, ma. Fine. So, okay, yes, I will read it for you. Don't worry. So, reading and writing are non-verbal communication. Verbal communication அப்படின்னா வந்து நம்மளோட இந்த listening and speaking. Non-verbal அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து reading and writing. Okay. அங்க வந்து பேச்சு கிடையாது, சத்தம் இல்லாம நடக்கிற கம்யூனிகேஷன் தான் நான் வெர்பல் கம்யூனிகேஷன். ஸோ ரீடிங் அண்ட் ரைட்டிங் தான் நான் வெர்பல் கம்யூனிகேஷன், சத்தம் இல்லாம நடக்கிற கம்யூனிகேஷன். ஸோ ரீடிங் ஸ்டார்ட்ஸ் ஹேப்பனிங் வென் யூ ஸ்டார்ட் ரைட்டிங் அண்ட் வைசி வெர்சா. வைசி வெர்சா மீன்ஸ் ஆப்போசிட். ரைட்டிங் ஸ்டார்ட்ஸ் ஹேப்பனிங் வென் யூ ஸ்டார்ட் ரீடிங். Writing and reading should happen at the same time. That is called simultaneously. Writing is started from different styles. So how do you start writing? First you start writing letters, that is the alphabets. Then you start writing words. Then you write sentences. And then you write paragraphs. And then you write pages and pages. So the ability to read what you write is important. Many people, even today, they don't know how to read and write Tamil. That is called illiteracy. Okay? We are all literates because we can now read and write our mother tongue. But those who don't know even to read and write Tamil, they are not literates. Okay, so literacy rate is very, very important. And efficient and fluent reading is a must for all. Okay, this should be there in everyone. So now we are moving to the importance of LSRW skills. LSRW possesses the key role in defining one's communication skill. People try to grab a reasonable knowledge in the language, yet they often fail to understand the significance of the English language in the fields of jobs and businesses. நிறைய பேருக்கு படிக்கணும்னு ஆசை இருக்கு, பட் ட்ரை பண்ணியும் கிடைக்க மாட்டேங்கிறது. இல்ல அதை பத்தி நாலேஜ், அதனோட இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் தெரியாம ஸ்கூல் டேஸ்ல காலேஜ் டேஸ்ல எல்லாம் போயிருப்பாங்க. ஒரு ஜாப் இல்ல ஒரு பிசினஸ் பண்ணும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கும் போதுதான் they will understand, ஓ லாங்குவேஜ்னா இவ்வளவு முக்கியம் இல்லையா அப்படின்னு. அந்த டைம்ல நிறைய பேர் ஓடுவாங்க படிக்கிறதுக்காக, பட் they may not be able to succeed. So what is the reason for that failure? Aspirants who desire to learn the language also undergo a massive failure. Why?
Shame இருக்கும் மேடம்.
Sorry sir?
Shame இருக்கும்.
They will be shame. Yeah, they will be feeling a kind of a shame, a kind of inferior thoughts may come. Then apart from that, we can also say they don't be getting proper guidance sometimes. So these are the reasons here. Okay, lack of guidance, fear of expression. That is called what sir said now as shame. Fear of expression. Like many people in this class also have that, I know. பேசினா தப்பாயிடுமோ, எல்லாரும் கிண்டல் பண்ணுவாங்களோ. Never think like that. Okay, underconfidence, doesn't know where and how to start. எங்க ஆரம்பிக்கிறது எப்படி ஆரம்பிக்கிறது தெரியறது இல்ல. Unhesitant to reach the next level. சரி இப்படியே இருப்போமே என்னப்போ இனிப்பு இது படிச்ச என்ன பிரயோஜனம். Some people will also think like that, தெரியுமா? எதுக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் லெவல் போகணும், இப்படியே இருந்துட்டா பிரச்சனையே இல்லையே. So these are the drawbacks of most of the learners in our country. So how can we overcome these challenges? That is what we should think. These are the drawbacks we said. So how to overcome these drawbacks? Lack of guidance can be crossed by joining good institutions or good coaching centers, and Igniting Young Minds will coach you. Okay. Lack of guidance is a problem. Okay. How to overcome fear of expression and underconfidence? You should only come out of that. No one can help you. நீங்களே தானா அதுல இருந்து வெளியில வர. அப்புறம் doesn't know where and how to start. எங்க ஆரம்பிக்கிறது எப்படி ஆரம்பிக்கிறது? அதான் we are here to help you. Yeah. You start with us. You start with Igniting Young Minds. You started on April 28th. Today is April 28th. You start on April 28th. Okay, and travel with us. You will learn. Okay, how to start? Just we have started. I will teach you how to start. Okay, then unhesitant to reach the next level. No, you should not be unhesitant. Hesitant to reach the next level. Actually, there was a typing mistake here. Hesitant. I'm sorry, dear. Hesitant. அடுத்த லெவலுக்கு எதுக்கு போகணும் அப்படிங்கிற தாட். ஹெசிடென்டா இருக்கிறது, ஹெசிடேட் பண்றது, that should not be there. Okay, every human being should reach the next level. Ennikum you cannot be a child. Every day you can't be a baby or a child or a school child. You will also grow up. You will also have to go to a job. You will also get married. You will also run a family. Okay, so life is actually about change. Every day we undergo changes. Without change there is no life, right? Every day you undergo change. So to change, you should know how to face the challenges. Okay, so how to overcome these challenges? Yes, can anyone read it for me? Jenny, can you read it?
Actually, my experience, madam, when I started speaking, I was trying to speak in English. I was trying to make a long sentence. That
okay.
was a big difficulty for me at that point of time. I think I was in 6th or 7th standard. So I was from a Tamil medium. So I was trying to speak in English longer. After then I made kuti sentence, small sentences. I tried making small sentences. That has helped me. And then, second is, I will always fight with my brother, and then English idiot, fool, stupid,
nonsense.
I learned the words only by quarreling with my brother. So whoever has got a brother or sister, you start quarreling with your brother or sister, you will definitely learn English. So that's to all of you.
Quarreling, yes, actually quarreling, then similarly like giving small greetings, hi, hello, what's up, or sending WhatsApp messages will also help you. I will say nowadays WhatsApp messages are very short messages, so that will also help you to get a catch. இப்போ நம்ம நிறைய சோஷியல் மீடியா யூஸ் பண்றவங்களுக்கு you can see that guess what அப்படிங்கிறது நிறைய பார்த்திருப்பீங்க. Can you guess அப்படிங்கிறது தான் guess what அப்படின்னு கேக்குறாங்க. So there are many usages that social media teaches us. So that is also a method for you to learn. Startingலயே பெரிய sentence பேசணும்னு நினைக்க வேண்டாம். Start speaking small sentences. My name is Priya. I am from Trichy. I go to St. Joseph School. My mother's name is Madhavi. அந்த மாதிரி பேச ஆரம்பிங்க. Okay. So what are the challenges that how to overcome these challenges? Yes, Jenny, you can read it.
Come out of the fear of English, practice speaking in English, attend coaching classes or proper guidance, learn the basic of the language, follow the LS or W pattern of learning.
Very good. So first thing is you should come out of the fear of English. English is nothing but a normal language like Tamil. You know one thing? Indian languages are the most difficult languages to learn. Tamil, Sanskrit, Hindi. These are all having so many aspects. But English is something with only 26 alphabets and very easy to learn. If you call a foreigner and ask him to learn Tamil or Malayalam, no, he will really die. Because he can't sit and learn all this grammar and all. Tamil and all, there are so many grammar, right? So a lot of things to study in Tamil literature, Hindi literature and all. Okay, so English is something which is like a grass for you. Full madri eduthukanum. Practice speaking in English. Start speaking small sentences. Attend coaching classes for a proper guidance. Learn the basics of the language, that is the grammar. And follow the LSRW pattern of learning. Listening, speaking, reading and writing. So that's all for today. Okay, so
difficulty, madam, which I faced, because I want to share my difficulty.
Sure.
I used to think in Tamil, but try to speak in English. That was a big mistake. I used to think in Tamil, en pair Kesavamurthy, but if you tried that in English, you are say in English that said okay, my name is Kesavamurthy, it's okay. But many times it will be slightly different. The thinking structure is slightly different in other language, in our mother tongue, and English structure can be different. Say for example, I ate mango. Tamil எப்படி சொல்லுவோம்? I ate mango. தமிழ்ல
எப்படி சொல்லுவோம்னா
நான் மாம்பழம் சாப்பிட்டேன்.
நான் mango சாப்பிட்டேன் தான் வரும். So suppose I want to translate from Tamil to English, நான் மாங்காய் சாப்பிட்டேன். So when I direct translation வரும்போது problem ஆயிடுது. I eat mango ன்னு வரதில்லை. நான் மாங்காய் சாப்பிட்டேன். I சாப்பிட்டேன் mango.
Mango. That order will be changed.
This is a problem which I faced long years back. But I think these days kids, when you want to speak in English, you think in English. So when you think in English, automatically you speak in English. I think this is one thing which I learned. Other than learn பண்ணதுக்குள்ளே வயசாகி போச்சு. ஒரு மாதிரி குட்டியாக இருக்கும்போது எனக்கு எல்லாம் அது தெரியல. So by the time when I was 35-40 years இருக்கும்போது இதெல்லாம் லேர்ன் பண்ணேன். So but I think you are in a better position to learn. You are young, so you can learn much easier. Thank you, madam.
Yes, sir. That புரிஞ்சுதாகனா what sir was telling அப்படிங்கிறது. So when you want to speak in English, no, you can see Tamil கண்டிப்பா வரும். பட் இருந்தாலும் அந்த தமிழ் வரத அவாய்ட் பண்ணி இங்கிலீஷ்லயே அதை எப்படி கன்வே பண்ணலாம் அப்படிங்கறத ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே, so that is what was discussed by sir now. So today we will now start a very short topic now. Okay, so we have 15 minutes more. Okay, so I will just start a small topic for you. Okay, we are going to study the vowels and consonants today. Very easy topic, everyone will know this. Yeah, vowels and consonants. So how many letters are there in English? 26 alphabets. Okay, so out of 26, 5 letters are considered as vowels. 5 of them are considered as vowels. A, E, I, O and U. A, E, I, O, U. They are called vowels. And what about the other alphabets? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. They are called consonants. Consonants. The others are called consonants. So vowels are only 5. So out of 26 letters, 5 are vowels. So how many consonants will be there?
21.
21 consonants. So 21 plus 5 gives you 26. Okay. So Y is actually, it's given between vowels and consonants. Actually, Y is a consonant. But in most of the cases, Y is a consonant. But sometimes Y is a vowel. இது வந்து எங்கேயும் கேட்டிருக்க மாட்டேங்க. Actually, when I was doing a research, எனக்கு அது தெரிஞ்சது. Him, அப்படி இப்போ beyond அப்படிங்கிற வேர்டு, beyond அப்படின்னா Y வந்து ஒரு கான்சனன்ட். ஏன்னா அங்க யா அப்படிங்கிற சவுண்ட் வருது. பியாண்ட், யா, யா அப்படிங்கிற சவுண்ட். ஆனா ஹிம் அப்படின்னா வந்து ஹிம், அங்க வந்து Y, he, E அப்படிங்கிற சவுண்ட் வருது. ஹிம்னா prayers. This is mostly used in Bible and all. பைபிள் படிக்கிறவங்களுக்கு தெரியும். ஹிம்ஸ் அப்படின்னா ப்ரேயர்ஸ் அப்படிம்பாங்க. ஸோ ஹிம் அப்படிங்கும்போது வை வந்து அந்த இ அப்படிங்கிற சவுண்டு வருது. ஸோ அதனால இட் இஸ் கன்சிடர்ட் ஆஸ் அ வவல். பட் இது வந்து ரொம்ப ஒரு ரேர் கேஸ்ல வர ஒரு இதுதான். அதர்வைஸ் யூ கேன் see that AEIOU are vowels and all the other letters are consonants. Okay, so now you can see some examples. So A, first vowel is A. So long sound லையும் சொல்லலாம், short sound லையும் சொல்லலாம். A அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம், A அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம் இல்லையா? So long soundக்கு ஒரு example cake, cake. For short sound we can say axe, axe. மழு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, அதுக்கு axe, axe. Okay, that is it's a tool used to cutting trees. It is a tool that we use to cut trees. Kodari அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க, kodari. Okay, correct word is kodari. So cake is a long sound, axe is a short sound. Axe perfume எல்லாம் கூட இருக்கு இல்லையா, gents perfume. Yes, next is E. E ல long sound லையும் சொல்லலாம், short sound லையும் சொல்லலாம். So in E you can say peach, peach. Peach is a fruit like orange, peach. Short sound la egg, egg. Okay, next is for I. Long sound la kite, kite அப்படிங்கலாம். Short sound la pig, pig. Next is O. In O you can say in both long sound and short sound. First one is hose. Hose na the tube இல்லையா, நம்ம வாட்டரிங்க்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ற hose, hose, hose. For short sound you can say sock, sock or socks, socks. Okay, and finally for U we have a long sound and a short sound. For long sound you can say glue, glue, and for short sound you can say bus, bus. Okay, so long sounds மட்டும் பார்க்கலாம். Cake, peach, kite, hose, glue. So A, E, I, O, U. These are the words with long sounds. For short sounds we can say axe, egg, pig, sock, bus. Okay, so this is how the long and short vowels can be described. Okay, so now we are moving to the next topic, that is articles. Articles oda idu vandu oru one day edukka vendiya lesson idu, but today I can give you a small introduction. Articles, there are totally 3 articles. Usually sentence of the English grammar la first topic vanda articles nariya edathila edukka maatanga, but I feel vowels, consonants and articles dhaan first theriya vendiyadhu. So what is an article? What is an article? An article is a short word that comes before a subject in a sentence. It is a short word. Most of the sentences we read and write have at least one article. So there are totally 3 articles: a, an, and the. A and an are called indefinite articles. A and an are called indefinite articles, and the is called the definite article. So totally there are 3 articles. What are the 3 articles? Yes, Jenny, what are the 3 articles?
A, an, and them.
Okay, so what are the indefinite articles?
A and then.
Okay, and what is the definite article?
The, ma'am.
Okay, so totally 3 articles are there. 2 are definite, 2 are indefinite and 1 is definite. So you can remember like this: a, an, and the, 2 indefinite articles and 1 definite article. Okay, now we are going to look at the examples between a and an. So first நம்ம வந்து an பத்தி பார்க்கலாம். It is in the left side. Yes, can anyone read it for me? Yes, yes, you can read it.
An is used with a word that begins with a vowel sound, used with common, singular, and countable nouns. Example, an apple.
Okay. An ice cream parlor, an overcoat. So an is used with a word that begins with a vowel sound. So vowel soundல ஆரம்பிக்கிற வேர்ட்ஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி யூஸ் பண்ற ஆர்டிகிள் தான் வந்து an. So for example, an apple, an ice cream parlor, an overcoat. So apple begins with A, ice cream begins with I, overcoat begins with O. So these are vowels, yeah. So we can use an before those words. And an is used with the singular, countable nouns and common nouns. Now, A na enadhu? What is A? Yes, Hasini, can you read the right side one? Hasini, mic off la irukda. Okay, Gautam, you can read. Okay. Yes, Gautam, you can read it. Gautam, your voice is not audible.
Ma'am.
Yes. Who called me?
Hasini, ma'am.
Hasini, yes. Hasini, you can read that one in the right side, ma.
Okay, ma'am. A is used with a word that begins with a constant sound, used with common, singular, and countable nouns. A mango, a grocery shop, a shirt.
Very good. Good boys. So A is used with a word that begins with a consonant sound. அதாவது AEIOU தவிர மிச்ச லெட்டர்ஸ் எல்லாமே கான்சனன்ஸ் அப்படின்னும் இல்லையா, அந்த கான்சனன்ஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி வர்றதுக்கு தான் வந்து A யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். This is also used with common, singular and countable nouns. Example, a mango. EX அப்படின்னா example. Okay. உதாரணத்துக்கு a mango, a grocery shop, a shirt. அப்ப mango, M, groceryல G, shirtல S. இது எல்லாமே வந்து கான்சனன்ஸா இருக்கு. ஸோ அதனால we can use A. இப்போ ஆனுக்கும் ஏக்கும் சில எக்ஸெப்ஷன்ஸ், சில ஸ்பெஷல் கேசஸ் பார்க்க. ஓகே, இதுல ஸ்பெஷல் கேஸ் அப்படின்னா நத்திங். நம்ம யூஸ்வலி சொன்னோம் கான்சனன்ஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி ஏ வரும்னு சொன்னோம் இல்லையா. ஆனா இப்ப கீழே சில எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் பாருங்க. an MBA student, an MLA from Tamil Nadu, an MP from Kerala, an LPG cylinder. இப்போ இந்த MBA, MLA, MP இதுல எல்லாம் M வருது ஃபர்ஸ்டே. ஸோ M வந்து ஒரு கான்சனன்ட் இல்லையா. அப்போ கான்சனன்ட்டுக்கு முன்னாடி A தானே வரணும். எப்படி ஆன் வந்தது?
மேம் பிகாஸ் இஸ் a vowel sound மேம்.
சவுண்ட் வந்து அங்க வவலா இருக்கு. சவுண்ட் அதாவது நம்ம வந்து லெட்டர்ஸ் மட்டும் நம்ம வந்து இது வவல்ஸ் ஆல்பபெட்ஸ், இது கான்சனன்ட் ஆல்பபெட்ஸ்னு சொன்னோம். ஆனா அங்க வவல்ஸ் கான்சனன்ட்ஸ்னா அந்த ஆல்பபெட்ஸை மட்டும் இல்ல, அங்க நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ற அந்த சத்தம், அந்த சத்தத்துக்கும் நம்ம வந்து இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் கொடுக்கணும். அப்ப MBA அப்படிங்கும் போது M M அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு சவுண்ட் வருதுங்க இல்லையா. A M, அப்ப M அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு வவல் சவுண்ட், A அப்படிங்கிற சவுண்ட் வருதுங்க. அதனால an MBA. MLA MLA தமிழ்நாடு MLA, அப்ப MLA M M M அப்படி இந்த சவுண்ட் Mனு வருதுனால an MLA அப்படிங்கிறோம். Similarly, an MP from Kerala, MP MP, so an MP. An LPG LPG gas, நம்ம வீட்ல யூஸ் பண்ற gas, an LPG cylinder. அதே மாதிரி ஏக்கு பார்த்தோம்னா இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா a one-eyed show, a one-man show, a one-eyed man, a university, a uniform, a European. எல்லா வேர்ட்ஸுமே வவல்ஸ்ல ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுறது. அப்போ வவல்ஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி ஆன் தானே வரணும். இங்கே ஏ வந்திருக்கு.
ஏன்னா அது வந்து கான்சனன்ட்டோட சவுண்ட்ல இருக்குதுங்க. இப்போ
சவுண்ட் வந்து இப்போ கான்சனண்டா இருக்கு. பிகாஸ் ஒன் ONEங்கிறத ஒன் சொல்லுவாங்க, அது தப்பு. ஆக்சுவலி ஒன் அப்படிங்கணும். இப்போ வாங்கிறது வந்து ஒரு கான்சனன்ட் சவுண்ட் இல்லையா. எஸ், எக்ஸாக்ட்லி சந்தியா மேம். வா இஸ் ஒன். இப்போ ஒன்னுங்கும் போது அந்த வா அப்படிங்கிற சத்தம் வருது. ஸோ வானா வியோட சவுண்ட் இல்லையா, கான்சனன்ட் சவுண்டா மாறிடுறது. ஒன்-ஐடு மேன், ஒரு கண் இருக்கிறவர். யூனிவர்சிட்டி, அப்ப யா யூ அப்படிங்கிற சத்தம் வருது. யூ யா யூ யூ அந்த யூ. யூனிஃபார்ம் அப்படி யூனிஃபார்ம்னு சொல்லுவோமா? இல்ல, யூனிஃபார்ம்னு தானே சொல்லுவோம். அது மாதிரி யூரோப்பியன், ஏரோப்பியன் சொல்ல மாட்டோம், யூரோப்பியன். அப்ப மறுபடியும் அந்த யா யூ சவுண்ட் வருது. சோ அதனாலதான் யூ ஆர் யூசிங் ஏ.
மேம் யூ சவுண்ட் இஸ் a vowel தானே மேம்?
நோ நோ, அது நான் சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, ஸ்பெஷல் கேஸ் வந்ததுன்னா அது வந்து நீங்க சொல்றது வந்து எங்க
Y sound.
Y சவுண்டோட தானே சொல்றீங்க? that is actually for special case. அதாவது இந்த him அந்த மாதிரி வேர்ட்ஸ்ல மட்டும், நடுவுல எங்கயாவது y வரும் இல்லையா, அங்க மட்டும் தான் அது யூஸ் பண்றது. ஓகே.
இல்ல மேம், யுனிவர்சிட்டினா யூ தானே மேம் வருது, யூ சவுண்ட் தானே வருது, அப்ப அது vowel தானே?
இல்ல, அம்ப்ரெல்லா அப்படிங்கிற வேர்ட் எடுங்க. அம்ப்ரெல்லா, UMBRELLA. நம்ம வந்து எப்படி அத ஆ அப்படிங்கிற சவுண்ட்ல தானே சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, அம்ப்ரெல்லா.
எஸ் மேம்.
அம்ப்ரெல்லாங்கிறப்ப அங்க வந்து நமக்கு ஆக்சுவலி யூ அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து ஒரு வவல். ஆனா யூவோட சவுண்ட் என்னதுன்னு கேட்டா ஆ. யூவோட சவுண்ட் ஷுட் பி ஆக்சுவலி ஆ. இப்போ அண்டர் கிரவுண்ட் அப்படிங்கும்போது இப்போ அண்டர் கிரவுண்ட் சொல்றது அண்டர் கிரவுண்ட் தானே சொல்றோம் இல்லையா.
ஆனா நம்ம
எஸ் ஸ்ரீநிதி,
நமக்கு யூனிவர்சிட்டின்னு தானே சொல்றோம், அப்ப யூ சவுண்ட் தானே நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றோம்.
இல்ல, அங்க டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்கு. யூவோட கேஸ்ல அது டிஃபரண்டா வரும். ஏன்னா யூ
மேபி ஐ கேன் எக்ஸ்பிளைன். நிறைய லாங்குவேஜஸ்ல இந்த மாதிரி எக்ஸெப்ஷன்ஸ் இருந்துட்டே இருக்கும். யூ சவுண்ட் தான் வருது, ஆனா இருந்தாலும் ஏ தான் போடும். அதான் அந்த லாங்குவேஜ் கூட பியூட்டியே அதுதான். இட்ஸ் நாட் மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ். மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ்னா a plus b whole square னா a square plus b square plus 2ab அது எல்லாருக்கும் ஆகும். பட் லாங்குவேஜ் அப்படி வராது. ஸோ அதனால தான் அந்த லாங்குவேஜ் எல்லா லாங்குவேஜ் இப்படி இருக்கும். தமிழ்ல கூட சில இடத்துல இருக்கும், அதே மாதிரி வேற வேற இருக்கும். அதனால இந்த கிராமர் வந்து சொல்லி கொடுத்தா கூட தட் மே பி a guidance for us, but that is not the final அப்படின்னு சொல்றது. கிராமர்ல ஃபார்முலா மாதிரி கிராமர் நம்ம படிக்க முடியாது. நம்ம ஸ்கூல்லையும் காலேஜ்லயும் we are trying to learn grammar like a formula. That is where we find it difficult to speak or we make mistakes. Okay, thank you madam.
ஓகே சார், ஓகே. அதனால தான் அது ஸ்ரீநிதி அப்படி ஒரு டவுட். படிக்கிற காலத்துல எனக்கும் இந்த டவுட் இருந்தது. ஓகே, இது எல்லாருக்கும் வரும் இந்த டவுட். யூவா தானே இருக்கு, இப்ப எதுக்கு அதை சும்மா மாத்தணும் அப்படின்னு ஒரு டவுட் வரும். பட் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு கேஸ் மேபி நமக்கு இப்படி புரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். யூனிவர்சிட்டி அப்படிங்கும்போது இப்போ நான் புரிஞ்சுட்ட ஒரு இது, இந்த யூனின்னு வர மோஸ்ட்லி இந்த வேர்ட்ஸுக்கு யூனியன், யூனிவர்சிட்டி, யூனிஃபார்ம், யூனிவர்சல், அந்த மாதிரி யூனின்னு வர்றதுக்கு எல்லாமே ஏ வருது. A universal language. English is a universal language னு சொல்லுவாங்க. It's a universal theory. அப்ப யூனிவர்சலுக்கு A யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிற மாதிரி பாருங்க. ஓகே, அது ஆனா at the same time utensils, your utensilனா வந்து பாத்திரம். அங்கேயும் வந்து an utensil சொல்றது இல்ல, a utensilனு தான் சொல்றாங்க. This is a utensil. Okay, then umbrella அப்படிங்கும்போது an umbrellaன்னு மாறுது. So it means that யூவோட சவுண்ட் வந்து சம் ஆன்னு வரும்போது ஆன் யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க, யூன்னு வரும்போது ஏ யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Got it? Okay. So with this we can wind up today. We will continue the definite article in the next class. So happy that many students participated in the first class.
எனக்கு என்ன ஒரு இதுனா இன்ட்ரஸ்டிங், இந்த ஏ an and da வந்து எல்லாமே சிங்குலரா குறிக்குது. am I correct?
A and the எல்லாமே you mean yes, singular எல்லாமே singular தான். Yes, singular countable அப்படிதான் சொல்றாங்க. Yeah,
கவுண்ட் பண்றது அப்படிதான். Yeah, okay.
Yes, singular and countable. Yes.
A stand சொல்ல மாட்டோம்.
Sand இல்லனா the sand அப்படி சொல்லலாம்.
the exceptions ஒரு ஃபார்முலா மாதிரி இத நம்ம லேர்ன் பண்றது கஷ்டம் லாங்குவேஜ். பட் to some extent formula will help. But then larger extent வந்து நம்ம வேற நிறைய கத்துக்க அது you will find many words. Thank you ma'am.
Okay sir, okay. So thank you so much students. So all of you, I expect you all to be with us throughout the journey. Okay, starting la irundittu nariya per
Sandhya madam being a teacher and you can
yes, give
any recommendations to us in case because you know the psychology of students much better than probably some of us. அதனால நீங்க எப்பவுமே உங்களுடைய ஐடியாஸ் கொடுக்கலாம் மேடம். எல்லா கிளாஸ்க்கு வாங்க, ஐடியா கொடுக்கறதுக்காக வாங்க, தப்பு கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்காக வாங்க.
நோ சார், தப்பு கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாது.
வாட் ஐ மீன் இஸ் ஜாயிண்ட் எஃபர்ட். இட்ஸ் நாட் தட் எனக்கு தான்
கண்டிப்பா ஷூர்
இதுதான் தெரியும் அப்படி இல்ல. we all try to combine தான் நம்ம லேர்ன் பண்ண ட்ரை பண்ணோம். I learned from Anapurni, Annapurni may learn something from the students. Students
Yes, sir.
learn a lot of things from Annapurni.
I learned many things from Keshavamurthy sir.
அது மாதிரி எல்லாம் அப்படி இருக்கும். அது வந்து we wanted to ஒரு ஓபன் ஃபோரம் மாதிரி இத கொண்டு போறோம்.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
அதனால நீங்க எல்லாரும் பேசலாம். நம்ம ஜெனி எல்லாம் பேசுவாங்க. ஜெனி என்ன பண்ணுதுன்னா அன்னபூர்ணி நம்ம பண்ற தப்புல போய் மாமாட்ட சொல்லிட்டாங்க. மாமா என்ன டோஸ் கொடுக்குறாரு. ஜெனியோட மாமாவை பார்க்க பயம். இந்த ஜெனி ஏதாவது போட்டு கொடுத்துருமோ அப்படின்னு ஒரு பயம். பட் வெல்கம் தட். இந்த மாதிரிலாம் பண்ணுங்க. போட்டுட்டு கொடுங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்க இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆவோம். எல்லாரும் இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆவோம். Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. See you all on next Sunday at the same time, 10:15 a.m. Till then, bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.